We recently welcomed Sesotec's Global Head of Sales, Josef to Telford Smith. In this conversation, he shares his perspective on our partnership, the work we're doing together, and what it means for local businesses.
My name is Josef. I work with the company Sesotec from Germany. Sesotec is a private-owned company specialized on contaminant removal and optical sorting machines, with focus on three different businesses. One is food industry, second is the plastic producing industry, and the third is the recycling industry. I myself handle the export markets as head of global sales for sorting recycling outside of the European Union. I think we met 12 months. I cannot 100% say it again, but it started around 10-15 years ago when we meet in a common project, independent from each other. And here we recognize that Sesotec and Telford Smith could be a perfect fit to collaborate in Australia and New Zealand. Telford Smith has not only a focus on sales, but a focus on providing a technical solution for the customers with a strong technical team in the background. So they are really put the customer and their needs into focus. The relationship with Telford Smith is not only a professional business relationship. By the time now, it became friendship with good reliability and a commitment to each other. What I most enjoy is the open communication, and that it's not always serious. And our business, we also are open for jokes and really enjoy working with each other. Every project so far we have done is from my perspective, from Sesotec perspective, always something special, because when we just see the distance between Germany and Australia, every project is a challenge to convey all information, collaborate, working together. So far we have made all our projects a success, which means every project stands for itself. The things Telford Smith do especially well is they put a focus on each and every market itself. Telford Smith has a dedicated team, dedicated people for each and every market, for each and every solution. And so they can always offer the customer the perfect solution for his problem or for his needs. The difference from other companies is that Telford Smith, that they do not only have a sales team, or they are not only interested in selling equipment or products. They always try to find a sustainable solution for the customer, a long-lasting solution for the customer, and really helps them with the problems he got. Three Bs I would choose is reliability. So over everything they say and they do, you can rely on. The commitment to what they're doing, the commitment to the customers, the commitment to the customers, and of course the passion for what they're doing to really a sustainable and industry with the solutions for the recycling industry. I mean, the recycling industry itself, it's already a business for the future, because the situation where we are at the moment is just the beginning of a much more potential, because the capacities, or when we compare the recycling rates with the produced products, we are only at the beginning. So it means as more and more this circular economy comes into the focus of people, as more potential it offers to companies who are committed to the recycling industry. The industry trends in the recycling industry is about connectivity, about AI, about Internet of Things. There are a few of those words which are now applied to recycling industry, and therefore Telford Smith is also well positioned to pick up these trends and move those ahead, or provide solutions for the customers for that. As I mentioned it below, for me, every project what you're doing is a highlight, because it's so very far away from Germany, where we are based. So every project has a certain challenge, and so brings highlights when it's a success at the end. Yes, of course, I always recommend working with Telford Smith whenever a customer is approaching us looking for solutions. Always let them know that they can go to Telford Smith. They will not only focus on one specific issue in his project, or one specific solution for his project, but the complete solution. So far, we can only say the collaboration at the moment is a very good collaboration. We have not experienced any troubles. We can rely on each other, and so we helping each and every customer with whatever challenge they are facing.
Thank you, Joseph, for spending time with the Telford Smith team. Here's to more projects and a strong partnership ahead.